Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how I make a plantain sandwich. You'll need steak, oil, sour orange or lime juice, and Worcestershire sauce, complete seasoning, Sazon, Adobo, and oregano, and sofrito. Again, I'll post this in the description box below, the recipe for this. And you'll also need plantain, onions, lettuce, and tomatoes, and equal parts of mayo and ketchup. And we're gonna mix this together, and then we're just gonna add that at the end. And you're also gonna need frying oil for the plantains. Alright, so if you're gonna be making this all the time, I recommend that you get yourself a tortilla press. This is honestly the best way that I have done this. If you don't have one of these, you can use a plate or anything that's big enough and it's round and you can flatten your plantains with, but this thing right here is everything. Alright, so we're gonna cook the meat first. So here I have a cast iron skillet heating up. I'm gonna put the heat on high and I'm gonna let my pan heat up. While this is heating up, I'm gonna go ahead and season the meat. Alright, so I'm just gonna go ahead and add all the ingredients to the meat. Here I have the sour orange with the Worcestershire sauce, the sofrito, and the seasoning. And I'm gonna mix this up. Once your skillet is hot, go ahead and add the oil and lower your heat to medium. We're just gonna place the meat very carefully inside the pan. Alright, and now I am going to cover it and let this cook on medium about 15 minutes. So it's been 15 minutes and I'm gonna turn the steak around and I'm gonna cover it and I'm gonna let it cook for another 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, your meat should look like this. And now we're just gonna put the heat on high. I'm gonna let that other side cook and then we're gonna flip it one more time. Okay, and then we're gonna flip. And that's it. We're gonna let this rest for about 5 minutes. So while the meat is cooking, I'm gonna go ahead and peel the plantain. With the tip of your knife, you're just gonna run it in through the creases of the plantain. Be very careful with this. And then I'm just gonna lift and pull it up. And just lift. Okay, so we're gonna fry this like we're frying regular plantains, regular tostones, but instead of cutting them into little pieces, I'm just gonna cut it in half. I'm gonna fry it on medium heat because I don't want the outside to cook faster than the inside. I want it to cook a little more evenly, because when I mash it, I don't want it to just crumble up. Once the oil is hot, we're carefully gonna place the plantains inside the oil. And we're gonna fry this until they're golden brown. So lower your heat a little bit so that the outside doesn't cook faster than that. I just placed some parchment paper on my tortilla press so that the plantain doesn't stick to the press. Now we're gonna fry the plantain one more time. Now if you want, you can go ahead and sprinkle some salt. And now we're ready to make our sandwich. I'm just cutting up the steak. Alright, so now basically all we gotta do is assemble our sandwich. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe and feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you so much for watching.